My slaves of Instagram, it's your favorite oligarch, Klaus Schwab Jr. I will be in Corpus for Christie's getting a container ship for human trafficking to make bulk adrenochrome. And there's something else I forgot is making sense.
Oh yes, God, deity.
Oh yeah.
Klaus Schwab Jr. I will be performing my rap songs at Tinfoil Hat Comedy in Corpus Christi, Saturday, April 9th. Come see me before I get a record deal, which I'm about to since I just started drinking adrenochrome. I'm moving up in the Illuminati. We're about to kidnap a couple of children at Kite Fest. I'm excited. Come to Corpus.
Yeah, and the fourth industrial revolution is coming to the music scene near you. Goodbye for now.